Dear great YouTube, I've got mail. I've kind of started without you, but I've been expecting this package for about a week. So, I've already got the outer wrapping off, and my initial thought, it's smaller than I thought it would be. No puns, thank you very much. I don't use that line a lot. So, lots of tape. Let's get peeling. Find the seams. Yeah, I have to admit, I feel a bit like a kid on Christmas, you know, that Christmas Carol. I jumped out of my bed and lo and behold, there. My battery just died. So, where was I? Oh yeah, St. Nicholas with a bowl full of jelly and a nose as red as his suit. Something along those lines. Anyway, so I'm deciphering the enigma of tape. I think I got it. Oh, hello. So, I don't know if I've mentioned this in a video before, but I bid on a watch on eBay. And not just any watch. It's a Suunto Observer. And it's kind of like one of the best slimmy watches for outdoor pursuits. And oh, look at the box! I'm just so happy. Come, you see. Okay, here we go. Ooh, hello, look at it. Okay. Instruction manual. Yeah, as described, there are 1 or 2 pages torn from it, but that's okay. That was her husband's fault. So, let's get it out and have a look. Well, the first thing I should do probably is make sure it fits. So, take this one off. Because the straps on these aren't, they're rubbery PVC, so you have to trim them instead of removing links. So, we'll see. I imagine it's going to be bigger than my wrist. No comments, but I do have a small wrist. Lovely. So yeah, I need to lose about maybe a ½ inch each side. I'll take it to my jeweler's and see. Yeah. Wow. In perfect condition. There's all the bits and bobs. Oh, I just wanna... Okay. That might not be accurate. I just went on to... I just brought up the temperature and it says 15 degrees. I'll just see. No. The computer has 8 degrees. But the thing with the thermometer on it is you have to give it a couple of minutes off your wrist to adjust to outside temperature instead of body temperature. My compass. 200 and... I know this way is north. So it should... I may have to calibrate it as well. Timer. Altimeter. That's not the time zone. Date. Seconds. Stopwatch. Okay, well, I have a lot of reading to do. Thankfully it's in English as well as Finnish and a couple of other languages. So that's that. I shall keep you up to date. I'll put a link to my shaver die. The poll on Facebook has blue in the lead, so I may get a crazy colour blue, just to go, you know, a little silly. But something like that colour maybe. I don't know if you can see it very well. That colour. So, yeah. So that's that. I'll keep you up to date. My shaver die campaign, I need to raise at least 150 quid. And I hope to get it done. I'm in the process of chasing down someone who did someone's hair for free. Other than that, I might go to the college that I went to last time for my Movember campaign and see what they say. So, Gurv Mágat, agus slán go fóill. Agus Gurv Mágat to Alexandra. Gurv Míle Mágat. Digwit YouTube. So just a quick update. I got it set to size to my wrist. So I'm quite happy with that. It might need to take one more link out of it, but we'll see what happens. I'll wear it for a while. I just got it set to the correct date, time and day. So that's that. I still have a lot of reading to do to calibrate the compass, barometer and all that jazz. But I think it's quite nice, don't you? It's much slimmer than the Casios. Like if you look at Casio Protrax or anything like that, they're huge. This one's much slimmer, much more compact. So that's that. As I said, I'd put a link to my shaver die campaign. I'll put that down below. You'll already have I'll put a link to my other video as well down below as well. And I'll keep saying as well. Anyway. And that has all the information for my Facebook, my Twitter, and vice versa. On my Facebook I have my Twitter and my YouTube, and on my Twitter I have my YouTube and my Facebook. So you can't have one without the other these days, it seems. So I'm going to have more fun playing around with this. I really like it. I might do a good review of it if I can. Once I get used to calibrating everything, I'll do a review. If you want to see that, leave me a comment below. Today I'm going to go out and try and get my jacket. I really should start attaching things to my body in some way, because I always leave something behind whenever I get a lift with somebody. This time, in this case, I left my jacket and my 3 compasses in my friend's car, who lives in Dundrum. So hopefully I'll get to meet him today in town after I go climbing. That's the other thing. I'm climbing in Trinity with my friend Tina. Can't wait after the last 2 weeks of kind of standing each other up. But anyway, so that's that. I'll put all this on YouTube now, and I'll get some footage when I'm in Trinity. Fingers crossed. I'll just set up my tripod and leave it to talk to itself. The battery seems to be doing all sorts of things. I'll recharge everything before I go, but it seems to be... Obviously, recording compared to taking photos is going to drain the battery faster, I suppose. Anyway, I've got a little bit of tidying up to do. Rubbish everywhere. So, anyway, I'll leave you with that. Gurv Míle Mágat, agus slán go fóill.